Hello everybody. I just want to say right up front that if you look for a video from me last week, you didn't find it. The reason why we were out of town, and I hope I can make up for that by shooting maybe a little bit more this week. So we're going to go ahead and take a little tour through the building, and people are telling me that they're having a hard time orienting themselves. So if we look out this window over here, and what I'm calling the front door of our office, door number 3, that is Matt Crossman coming in. That's 267 out there. So that gives you an idea. This is where Paula's desk is. And on down here, we're going to take a look at where the elevator is going to be. So we're going to go through this little bit of plastic right here, just to give you a little more orientation of where we're at. That is the elevator shaft right there. And this little walkway here is what will empty out into the second story of the A-wing. What we have here are these nice metal steps that will be filled in with concrete. So right now they're filled in with water and in some cases ice. We go down these steps, and they empty out into what will be the living room. This morning there was a big delivery of furniture. This furniture will go into the lobby, and some of it will go, well, it will stay right here. So when you come in that lobby, right now it looks like a huge barn, but eventually there'll be places for people to sit and visit and sip a cup of coffee or tea before they go into their Sunday school class or into the worship center to give praise to God. The electricians have been hard at work in here, putting in the electrical, putting in boxes and so forth. And you'll notice that there's quite a bit more framing that has been done, just the little tweaks and little details here and there. If you've been looking at all these videos, you see that this is all closed in now. And there is going to be some kind of a coffee station eventually right here. We've got, this is the padlock door right now that goes into what used to be the offices, but right now it's a ramp that is pretty stripped down, bare bones, because that really hasn't received a lot of attention at this point. On Sunday, we are going to try to usher people out of one of these auditorium doors. All right, so people will come in through door 8. They will exit from this door, and we plan to have a clear path, and we want people to stay on the path and not stray off. And oh boy, felt a little bit of warmth. The construction workers have been pretty excited because there's a little bit of heat coming out right now, and sure enough, I can feel it. So the path though will be through here, and that way people won't have to cross paths. One group of people leaving from one service and the next group of people arriving. Especially during this pandemic, we want to make sure that people are protected as much as possible. And they will exit out this area here into the parking lot and be able to go to their cars. Something that I was excited to see is the windows going in, the windows on the outside. Now the doors were actually supposed to be in this week, but unfortunately the word that I heard was that the wrong parts have been sent to the workers here, so we have to wait another week for those doors to go in. But we have glass in the front and in the back entryways, and that is a really big step forward. Here's some of the glass right here that will be installed. And then this is the side of the building that faces toward 267. And you can see that a lot of the glass has gone in already. And it looks very nice, very nice. Thank you so much for your interest, your prayers, your labors, your volunteer work. Thank you so much for all that you do. It's for Him and for His glory. It's Jesus Christ's glory that we're after. And we give all praise to Him.